So in this video, you'll learn how to reset your keyboard settings on the Samsung Galaxy A36. So start by opening the Settings app. Then you want to scroll and select the option General Management. Under General Management, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then from here, you want to scroll through the menu until you find Reset to Default Settings. Then tap on it. Then select Reset to Default Settings. Select Reset Keyboard Settings in order for you to reset your keyboard back to default. Once you've selected it, confirm that you wish to continue with the reset. Bear in mind that any downloaded languages won't be deleted from your phone. And so once the reset is complete, you'll now notice that the keyboard has gone back to its default layout, whether it was bigger or smaller, and it's also gone back to its default theme. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about the keyboard reset, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.